Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Priya Sharma, and if you are new to my channel, I would be really happy if you subscribe to my channel below. So today's video is a haul video. Recently I purchased quite a few items from two websites which are Nykaa and Purplle. So I will be sharing all the products which I got with you and will be giving a small review of each item. So stay tuned with me and watch till end. So now without any further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so the first product is this Alps Goodness Cucumber Toner. I purchased it from Purplle. It is priced at rupees 145, but I got it for just 109 rupees. Isn't that a great deal? You know, toners are really beneficial for your skin. It makes your skin more clear and minimizes the pores. And जब से मुझे ये पता चला है, I started using toners. It's been about 5-6 months मैं toner use कर रही हूँ. I've seen a clear visible difference in my skin. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा पहले से क्लियर और पोर्स जो हैं कम हो चुके हैं. So I advise everyone to use toner on a daily basis. Now let's talk about this toner. It says that it refreshes the skin, balances the skin pH level and purifies the skin, and it really does the same. ये मैं एक बार use कर चुकी हूँ. It is very lightweight and does not feel sticky at all on your skin. It is water based and it is really easy to use because it contains this spray kind of thing, and you just need to spray it all over your face and you are done. बस आपको इसको फिर स्किन में absorb होने देना है and you are done. So it smells so nice and refreshing. Okay, so now let's just move on to the next product, which is this Pond's Light Moisturizer. इससे पहले मैं Pond's का gel based moisturizer यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. That is my favorite one. But अब जैसे कि winters आ रही हैं, I need more creamy based मॉइस्चराइज़र, क्योंकि मेरी स्किन विंटर्स में थोड़ी ड्राई होती है एंड समर्स में थोड़ी ऑयली होती है. तो इन विंटर्स आई प्रेफर यूज सम क्रीम बेस्ड मॉइस्चराइजर्स बिकॉज वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा देर तक हमारी स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज रखते हैं. सो आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस वन एंड आई हैव यूज्ड इट 2-3 टाइम्स एंड इट इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड प्रोडक्ट. मतलब ये बहुत सॉफ्ट है, आपकी स्किन को बहुत सॉफ्ट स्मूथ बना देता है. इट सेज दैट it is non-oily and fresh feel product. So you can see it is cream based. It literally makes your skin feel smooth and moisturized. Now let's move on to the next product, which is this Faces Canada Brow Pencil. I got it for rupees, I forgot, I will mention down it in the description box. So at one end of this pencil we have this spoolie to comb our eyebrows, and at one end we have this pencil from which we can define our eyebrows, and that's it. So let's see its pigmentation, how pigmented it is. Ooh, wow, it is so pigmented and I think it's good for daily wear. You can easily comb your eyebrows with the spoolie it have. So the next thing which I got is this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Bioberry Plumping Lip Balm. So it says that it smooths and swells lips. Basically it is for plumping your lips. So I got this one also from Purplle website, and also it says that it benefits in smoothing fuller lips, lightening lips, lightweight, moisturizing, nourishing, refreshing, soothing, soft and smooth texture. So now let's see ये product कैसा है. Okay, so it contains this cap. इट स्मेल्स सो गुड. मतलब इसकी फ्रेगरेंस बहुत अच्छी है. मुझे अपने बचपन के दिन याद आ गए. इट स्मेल्स लाइक जैम. इट्स लिटिल टिंटेड, पिंक टिंट दे रहा है ये आपके लिप्स को, एंड इट्स क्वाइट मॉइस्चराइजिंग टू. इट्स MRP इज 175, बट आई गॉट इट फॉर जस्ट रुपीज 131. आई थिंक दैट्स अ ग्रेट डील, बट आई थिंक इट शुड नॉट बी नेम्ड एज प्लम्पिंग लिप बाम बिकॉज इट डिडंट प्लम्प माई लिप्स एट ऑल. जैसे थे वैसे ही हैं, बट एज अ लिप बाम इट इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट. यू कैन गो फॉर इट. Okay, so now let's move on to the next product, and the next product which I got are these foundations. So I got 2 foundations from Nykaa. One is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer, and the other one is very famous Maybelline Fit Me Matte and poreless foundation. So this Milani foundation is priced for rupees 1400 and I got it for the same price. There was no discount on this. And this Maybelline Fit Me foundation is priced for rupees 549, but I got it for rupees 412. So there was a discount on Maybelline Fit Me, but there was no discount on Milani Conceal and Perfect. I wanted to try both of these, so I got them. But unfortunately Maybelline Fit Me मैंने थोड़ा darker shade में मंगा लिया. It doesn't suit my skin color, but it's okay. आगे हम इसको मिक्स एंड मैच करके यूज़ कर लेंगे. सो फर्स्टली लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस Maybelline Fit Me foundation. You can see its consistency. It's not that thick and not that thin. I got this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 228 soft tan. अगर आपका स्किन टोन मेरे जैसा है तो don't go for this color because ये आपके लिए भी डार्क हो जाएगा. Go for a lighter shade. Okay, so now let's move on to the next foundation, which is Milani Conceal and Perfect. It's in the shade 03 light beige clear. If we talk about its consistency, तो ये Maybelline वाले से thick है, मतलब वो runny था, but this is not runny at all. ये बहुत thick है and it perfectly matches my skin color. So it says that you don't need a concealer if you are applying this foundation because it will work as both foundation and concealer. मैंने इसका single pump ही यूज़ किया है and now let's see कि क्या ये कंसील एंड फाउंडेशन दोनों का काम करता है या नहीं. इट्स वेरी इजी टू ब्लेंड दिस फाउंडेशन, यू नो. ये बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो रहा है स्किन में. आई लिटरली लाइक दैट फिनिश जो ब्लेंड होने के बाद आई है. मतलब दिस इज़ माई अनदर फेवरेट फाउंडेशन फ्रॉम नाउ. इट्स फॉर्मूला इज़ ऑसम एंड इट इज़ easily blendable and I don't think I need a concealer, but if you have more dark circles you may need, or you can build up this foundation, you know, एक और layer लगा सकते हो. Another thing which I got from Purple are these makeup sponges. These are AY cut makeup sponge puff. These are pack of 2 pieces. Its original size is this and after damping it becomes this big. So these are really nice sponges. मतलब ये बहुत soft है. You can see how soft are these. And ये बिना डैम्प करे भी बहुत soft हैं. These are actually priced at rupees 499, but I got them for just rupees 190. It was a great deal. Okay, so now as my foundation is all blended, now let's move on to the next product, which is my favorite mascara. I think बहुत सबने ये यूज़ किया ही होगा. Maybelline Colossal Mascara. This is one of my favorite one and it is priced for rupees 399, but I got it for rupees 259 after discount. It says that it is waterproof and give you 2x volume, lasts up to 12 hours and instantly volumizing brush it have, and it says that it will make your lashes clump free. Now let's just quickly move on to the next products, which are these 2 lipstick. This one I got from Purple and this I got from Nykaa. So first let's talk about this lipstick, which is Darling Isabella. I got it from Purple. It's in the shade 18 Duchess Smooth Caramel. It was priced for rupees 185, but I got it for just rupees 157 after the discount. And I never heard about this brand, but I thought of trying this because of its cute packaging. And let's see its swatch. It's highly pigmented and oh my god, its color is so beautiful. If you get such pigmented lipstick, liquid lipstick for such price, it's a great deal. Now let's see how it looks on my lips. It's look beautiful. बहुत ही सुंदर शेड है and for such price I think it's the best deal. It doesn't feel sticky, you know, जैसे बहुत सारी liquid lipstick बहुत sticky और बहुत chappy feel करते हैं, but it doesn't feel that on my lips. It's comfortable. I am definitely gonna buy more shades from this lipstick. Okay, so now let's move on to the next lipstick, which is Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink Lipstick. in the shade 210 versatile. It is priced for rupees 650 and I didn't get any discount on it. I got it for the same price, which is 650. Let's see its pigmentation and the color. Oh my god, this is also a beautiful color. So with this we come to an end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.